We've always known that time in nature feels good. What's truly remarkable is how much science is now confirming that our bodies and intuition has been trying to tell us for centuries. That just a few minutes amongst trees can lower cortisol, calm your nervous system, improve your heart rate variability, and even strengthen the immune function. And also looking at water, even a photograph of it can slow your pulse rate, ease anxiety, and create a sense of spaciousness in the mind. Hi, everybody. I'm Garodia. I'm a board certified internist, physician, and also board certified in integrative medicine, functional medicine, lifestyle medicine, obesity medicine, and a nationally certified health and wellness coach. I'm excited to invite you to a topic that's really close to my heart, the green prescription, leveraging nature's healing power for whole person healing. In this session, we'll explore how both green and blue environments actively support physical, emotional, cognitive, and even spiritual well being, and how you can bring these tools into your own daily routines and into your clinical care and community health. We'll talk about practical doses of nature, what the evidence shows about stress recovery and the neuroscience, and how can you recreate we all can recreate many of these benefits indoors utilizing plants and soundscapes and light. We'll also delve into nature-based mindfulness and movement and awe practices, and also explore equity and access, because nature should be a medicine for everybody. So by the end, you'll walk away with simple research-backed strategies that are restorative, empowering, and immediately usable. I hope you'll join me and rediscover how the natural world can be one of our most powerful allies in whole person healing. I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.